Right, we've got ATCO Balmoral 14SK. Very nice condition. Let's take a quick walk around it. Here we go. Nice and clean. Pause the video if you need to. Freshly cleaned up. And yeah, the ATCO 14SK. Right, how do you start this thing? Forward, and I don't know, one of them's choke on. I think this one's a choke on. Let's hope it starts now. Oh, I need 3 hands. Hang on a second. Nope. Oh, hang on a second, there's a switch here. Yeah, switch this on. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now I should start, I think. Nope. Am I doing something wrong? I think the choke is on the other side. Okay, switch the choke off. Turn the speed down a bit. Kick over. The blade spin. How do you make the blade spin? Press this button, I think, forward, and then lift the lift this lever up, small one, this one, and that should make the engine spin. Yeah, that works fine. The drive is this bottom one, and so we pull this up, it should start moving. Right, off it goes. Yeah, plenty of driving that. Yeah, I'm sorry I got no grass here. Well, I have, but it's already been cut, so I can't really demonstrate much gas here for you. But let me try again. Lever down, and lever down. Slow-mo. Perfect. Hope you like it. ATCO Balmoral 14SK. Gone dirty again. Well, covered in grass.